Oh my god. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do a little intro at least so they know what the fuck is going on.
Do that. Like, literally all I hear is... she's like this. She's like...
Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is MaryBeatrice. Thank you for clicking today's video. For today's video, I'm actually gonna do my makeup, but it's gonna be my bestie's voiceover. So we figured, we were like yapping yesterday about like ideas for videos and stuff, and I was like, why don't we like do a get ready with me, but like, you know, you guys have seen those, right? Like those like boyfriends do their voiceovers.
Yeah,
and
those were my favorite.
Right? It's just so fun because they're like, what is that? But they're pros in their makeup, so this is gonna be so fun and exciting. So I'm gonna like shut up now and they're gonna take over, okay?
Can you see me in the corner? No. And they're just like... so ugly.
So ugly. Okay, let me actually get ready.
Alright y'all, it's me, Derek, taking over. So by the looks of it, she is doing primer to make sure the makeup is snatched. A few drops goes a little long way, so to make sure that the pores are gone, blurred, and the makeup lasts. Be sure to smooth the primer across your face because you don't want any wrinkles at the age of 24. Next up is foundation. This is the IT Cosmetics foundation. This girl got this in PR. You go, girly. And today she's going to be using a foundation brush that is synthetic, which I believe so. This will give you full coverage instead of a beauty blender, which will soak up the product. Then just blend, blend, blend all the way. Don't know how long this will go, Mary. You are blending for a very long time, girl. Just keep on blending. Oh, now she is blending still all over the face. Okay, now she is doing the Rare Beauty liquid blush. I believe this is the shade Happy or Joy. One of those two. And then a little goes a long way on your cheekbones. And be sure to blend because you don't want any blush blindness. Be sure to blend quick because the liquid blush does dry fast. Oh, there's me doing a get rid of me as well. But yeah, time to do the other side. Be sure to blend, blend, blend. Then Mary's going into, I have no idea what this is. Is this another concealer? It is concealer. Yeah. Yeah. Blend, do all over your face where you want to enhance your dark circles. You don't want to show any wrinkles. Concealer is that girl. Then she is going to bake her face to set the concealer intact so that way it does not crease. Be sure to use a generous amount. You want to make sure that the concealer does not move so that way your face is snatched all day long. I think she is going to use a beauty blender, yes that is, to make sure it really locks in and mixes well with the concealer. By the looks of it, she is baking underneath her eyes, so that is a great way to enhance the under eyes to remove any dark circle. Not that she has any. Don't come for me, girly. Mary, you did not do that. No, 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 absolutely not. Then she is going into blush. Yes, I am correct. She is doing blush. I don't know what this brand is, but it's super cute. Make sure she looks nice and doll-like. Then she is going in with this pencil thing. What the hell is that? I'm a beauty guru. Love you, Mary. Oh, it's a lip liner, duh. So she is going on her lips, drying out the outside of her lips to make sure her lipstick or lip balm will look snatched. To finish the look, she is going into a lipstick. This color is so gorge. Then she's going to set her face with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Yes, that is mine. You're very welcome, Mary. Just kidding, I love you. But make sure to use a generous amount to make sure the makeup lasts. And that completes the glam. Now she is all set to conquer Vancouver. Be sure to like and subscribe. Also follow her on Instagram and TikTok because you already know. Oh, and credits. Yes, I don't know what it says. Love you. Like and subscribe. Smiley face. Thanks, guys, for watching.